Jura coffee machine. Editor coffee. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chocolate. And then we're going to press the hot water button. Ooh, liquid. Mix it up.
The spoon.
Now we're going to press ta-da! Now we're going to put in hundreds and thousands. Now we're going to have a little try. How easy it was, and even a 5-year-old can use it like me, and I'm 5. Let's go, bye! I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up if you want to see it. Subscribe, bye! Hi, my name's Cherry, and today we are making. Oh,
It's okay. It's okay. Let Tiger talk. It's okay. It's okay. Say it together. 1, 2, 3. Hello.
Hello, my name's Cherry, and today we are making hot chocolate with a Jura coffee chocolate machine. Chocolate machine.